Botanical Garden in Baguio contains a diverse collection of beautiful plant species and traditional sculptures sa talaga naman mag-enjoy ang mga plantito at plantita. Entrance fees 100 pesos for adults and 13 years old and above, 25 pesos for 12 years old and below, and meron namang 20% discount para sa mga senior citizens and PWD. Meron din namang coffee shop dito if ever na gusto niyo muna mag-coffee before kayo umikot sa buong garden. Almost every corner is filled with colorful flowers and towering trees which make this nature wonderland relaxing and peaceful. There are also a lot of sculptures and other gardens inspired by other countries kaya matutuwa ka din talaga mag-picture dito. Pwede din kayo mag-rent ng Igorot costume for 30 pesos and unlimited shots na po yun. Sobrang well-maintained nitong lugar na to kaya make sure na alalayan ang mga batang kasama na wag silang hayaang pumitas ng mga bulaklak at iba pang mga halaman dito. Kaya naman if you're up for exploring nature wonders, history and culture, or simply want to enjoy the beauty of the gardens, make sure to add the Botanical Garden in your Baguio itinerary. Like and follow for more travel ideas. Bye-bye!